It's just a matter of time, a matter of work. On my grind, came from the dirt. Don't hit my line if it ain't about work. The money in the basket is kinda like church. Hustle real hard, yeah, I grind till it hurt. Cause I know what it's worth. I still ride around with my niggas. We ain't Henny in the bill shit. Fuck around with my niggas. Fuck around, be on the kill list. Man,
Alright guys, welcome back. We're gonna do a night car meet tonight. It's gonna be sick. Hope you guys enjoy the footage. Alright guys, so this is the car we're going with tonight. The 488 GTB, twin turbocharged 3.9 liter V8. Sounds amazing. We got the painted rims. They are not the stock rims that are matte, they are painted. There are new HRE rims coming in next week. And yeah, we got the Fab Speed tube covers. The car's looking all around pretty great. Does 0 to 60 in around 2.6, actually no, 2.8 seconds, around there. Fast as hell. Probably around December, I'll say. This will be sent to Fab Speed and tuned, around 750 horsepower. And it will probably be one of the fastest cars on the road. We got the GT3 RS, looking amazing. Awesome interior. Corvette Z06. Oh boy, Huracan coming in, boys. We got the Performante coming in. We got a nice motor in the Z06 right here. Mint. New cold air intake, pushing out 660. Huracan Performante. Green Huracan with the underground racing tune is leaving. Got ourselves an Aston Martin. We have found another 488. Looking beautiful in the white. Beautiful, beautiful car. Straight out of the 80s. Looking nice. A little bit of a different colored, you know, different color, don't match, but it's all good. It's a Lambo. It's got a race wheel, manual. Looking good. Guys, this car meet is unreal. The R32. Looking as beautiful as ever. Right hand drive, manual, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Hood's open on the R32.
Yeah, if you're looking to shoot for 1,000 or something,
Looking beautiful, the carbon fiber. one of the coolest Ferraris in my opinion. Got a nice V12 right in there, mint. This thing is a beast. I think it's pushing out around, probably around close to, I think, the name. It's in the 500s, I think. Beautiful, beautiful car.